Hello everyone, my name is Shivanshu Gupta and now I'm going to discuss how to run Python code on mobile. Okay, so for this I'm opening I open my mobile and in this mobile, first of all we have to go on the application Play Store, then open Play Store and type application Pydroid 3. Okay, so this application Pydroid 3, and when you click on this application, then first of all you have to install this application. Actually I have already installed this application, that's why this open box will come. Otherwise when you will click on this, then you can first of all you have to install, then this you can open this application. Okay, and when you have installed this application, then on your phone this application will already shown on your phone icon. Okay, so we have to click on this application. Okay, so this is our Python application on which we can create any program of Python. Okay, and this is a Python ideally. What is the meaning of ideally? I have already told you that ideally means integrated development learning environment, means this is an application on which we can create a Python code. Okay, and on your, if you want to create this Python code on desktop, then you have to go on www.python.org website and download any Python 3x version. Okay, why we are using 3x, yep, or Pydroid 3? Because Python have 2x version also, but in 2x version there are old syntax. Okay, and but latest in this time period Python 3x version is going on. Okay, that's why we are working all the Python code on 3x version. You can use 3.2, 3.4, 3.6, 3.8 and so on according to your operating system version. Okay, so how can you create this program? So this is an editor, because I already told you what is the meaning of integrated, because this is an ideally means integrated development learning environment, means in this software we can create we can edit our program, we can create our program, we can compile, interpret our program, and also running facility in this ideally. Okay, so this is our editor window, and here you can type your program. I have already typed, so that's why I'm only going to paste our program. And okay, so if you will type this our program, then like just a minute, I will already typed, so I just copy my program and then paste it. So that's why I can save my program time. Okay, okay, so this is a Python program. Okay, I already discussed this program on my video lecture series. This is a program of adding two numbers. Okay, so first of all we have to discuss that what is program, and how can we give input in a Python program and output. Okay, because this is a programming language. You have to just consider like this is a program, and you have to imagine this program on the machines where you have to do some work from, and you want some work from the machine, like you want work from washing machine. Okay, so in a washing machine we also give some inputs. Okay, and if you want work from photocopy machine, then on a photocopy machine number of copies we also given. Okay, so how many number of copies you want, and on which time, or what's the water capacity. So we have to feed it all the number on the machine na? So how can this machine will store those numbers? So behind the hardware there is some concepts will work. So those concepts are called programs, and this program in syntax in front of you. Okay, so first of all I have write a line number 1 hash write a program to add two numbers. Okay, so this is a comment, that's why its color looks different, because what is a comments? Comments means when you will open your source code and this code, then you will see then this line, but when we will run our code, then this line will not be visible. So that's why it's called comment. That means after interpret or after running a code, this line is invisible for interpreter. Okay, so this is a comment. And why we are using this line? Because I want to create understanding of this program. Like when you are watching this program, then in this program you already understand that okay, this is a program of adding two numbers. Okay, so this will increase the understanding of a user. Okay, so this is a comment. And how can you write a Python comment? With the help of hash symbol. Means whatever line you have written, you can use hash symbol before this line, then it becomes a comment. Okay, and this comment is invisible for the interpreter. Okay, now line number 2, a is equal to int input, enter first number. Okay, in a line number 2, a is a variable and is equal to int is a integer type. Okay, and input enter first number. So in a double quotes enter first number is a message. In our next program we can change this message, but we cannot change int input, because if you want integer number, then all the time you have to use int input. Okay, and if you want point type number, then we are using is equal to float input. Okay, so I will already create a video of input and output function soon. So then I will explain for which value you have to use which syntax. Okay, so just I am considering a little bit program that I want that first of all you have to know how to create program and what is the output, and you know ideally very well. That's why after that when I will create another videos, then you will better understand that how Python program will write and how can we run a Python program. Okay, so in line number 2, a is equal to int input enter first number. You have to say this is a statement through which we can store a number in a variable a. Okay, at runtime. Okay, now I will tell how can we run this code and how can we give the number at runtime. Okay, and line number 3, b is equal to int input enter second number. This is another same thing, and in this with the help of this line you can store a number in a variable b. Okay, then what is the logic? Because I already told you in a program structure that each and every program contains input, then some logic statement, and then output. Okay, so here a line number 2 and line number 3 is the input, because in this line we are storing values during runtime in variable a and b, and line number 4, c is equal to a plus b. This is a logical statement, because in this statement we are given the logic to the computer that what is the operation you have to perform. And in line number 5 we are using print statement. Print is a output statement, and with the help of print statement you can display your result. Okay, so when you will type this code on your IDLE, then you will click on this yellow button, because this yellow button is an output button. Okay, so you have to click on this yellow button. This is in a right hand side in front of you. Okay, so you have to click on this yellow button. After that, when you will click this yellow button, then you will get the output window. So this is a shell window, because I have already told you there are two windows in IDLE. One is script mode, second one is interactive mode. So this is the interactive mode for the mobile. Okay, so you also call this shell window, and this before this window where we will type or edit a program, it's called script mode. Okay, so this is the interactive mode of shell window. Here there is a message will come, enter first number. Okay, so you have to relate this program to those machine, like you have only a display of a machine or any device, and where machines wants a number, so you have to given a number, and then machine will perform an operation. Okay, so you imagine that this is a window and this is a display in front of you. Okay, and this is a such kind of display like which comes on a machine also. Okay, so this is a display, and you will give any value, like I am entering a number 5. Okay, then press enter key. Okay, then message will also come, what, enter second number, and the a second number I am given like 9. Okay, then after again I am pressing enter key, then we will get the result 4. Okay, so this is a program of adding two numbers. Okay, and actually this result is 14, but because of my screen guard, so that's why one is not coming. Okay, so I again repeat this program, then you will see program gives a correct output, but my due to my screen guard 14 is not visible. Okay, so this is the output window. Okay, so you have to go on again in screen window. Okay, so if you want to run again, then press this yellow button. Okay, then windows will come in front of you. Then I am giving a 2, enter second number 1, then output will be what? Output is 3. Okay, so actually this screen guard disturbing the window, that's why we are not able to see the result. Okay, so if I will remove my screen guard, then you will see the result. Okay, so this is the procedure through which we can you can see the result. Okay, thank you.